Some of the biggest sales increases I've seen on Shopify didn't come from redesigning a store or spending more on ads. They came from a few simple apps that improved the customer experience. Let me show you the ones I think every store owner should know about. And if you haven't decided on a long-term Shopify plan, there's no need to yet. I have a Shopify sign-up discount where you can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1 a month. This way, you can set up your full website and start making sales without committing to a plan. Just yet, that sign-up discount will be in the description box. And a bonus tip is that you can save even more money on your plan when you select to get an annual plan. The first app is the Shopify Checkout Blocks app. This app allows you to add additional content blocks throughout the checkout experience, giving you more flexibility when it comes to what customers see as they move through different stages of the buying process. When customers have a smoother experience on your website, it can encourage them to return back to your store and purchase more. You're going to want to install the Shopify Checkout Blocks app directly from the Shopify App Store. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up and then click on Blocks. This is where you'll be able to create and manage the different types of content blocks. From here, you're going to click Create Block. Once you enter the block creation area, you'll notice that Shopify gives you multiple block types to choose from. You'll see options such as dynamic content blocks and static content blocks. Each serves a different purpose depending on how you want information to be displayed. For this example, you're going to want to select dynamic content. After selecting dynamic content, I am going to choose the FAQ box option. Frequently asked questions can be a useful addition because they provide customers with quick answers to common questions. When you're done, click Save. After saving the block, the next step is to activate it. You're going to click Set as Active, which begins the process of making the block available inside your Shopify theme. Now you'll move over to the theme editor where the block can actually be placed onto a page. Inside the theme editor, next to the dynamic content section, click the plus icon. For this example, I'm going to add the FAQ section to the thank you page. Customers often have questions related to shipping timelines, order updates, or what happens next after checkout. Now to customize the text, head back into the Checkout Blocks app and locate the block you just created. Once you find it, click the Edit button. This will open the customization area where you can begin adding your own frequently asked questions and answers. You can tailor these questions around the types of information customers commonly ask about. Then that's one of the many ways you can use this app for your website. As a bonus website tip, add a similar FAQ section on your homepage as well. Add something like a collapsible content sections or traditional text-based content section. By adding this, visitors can learn more about the store, shipping process, and more without having to navigate through multiple pages. Keep watching because next I'll be covering several more Shopify apps, and one of them acts as your personal free virtual assistant and does things for you and inside your website without you needing to hire an assistant. If you guys also like the style of this website that I'm showing in this video, this is one of my Shopify templates, and I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys. It's a customizable Shopify theme, which can help you to save hours and even days of time from having to do your entire website on your own. I have a few different lines of Shopify themes for different business types, including if you have a clothing store, a jewelry or beauty store, and I have themes for many other business types. You can customize and change the colors. You can change the layout and add your own pictures to make the theme yours. It's also simple to install. On Shopify, you'll be able to click Upload a zip file, and you can upload that theme zip file straight into your store. Then you can edit it, publish it, and launch your store. And also, just so there's no confusion with the install process, each of my themes come with a step-by-step digital install guide to show you exactly how to set up and install the Shopify template into your store. No coding is required. I'm gonna link this Shopify template in the description box below, along with where you can check out my other lines of Shopify themes. The next app is the Digital Downloads app. This is a useful app for anyone selling digital products because it allows digital files to be delivered to customers after they complete a purchase. You're going to want to install the Digital Downloads app from the Shopify App Store. Once the installation is complete, open the app and then select a digital product that's already listed in your store. Before attaching the file, you may want to review the product listing itself. If any changes need to be made, simply click on the product title. This will open a mini editor that allows you to quickly update different parts of the listing without needing to leave the app. From here, you can make changes to the product title, update the description, adjust pricing, review product information, and make any other edits needed before continuing with the setup process. Now you're going to click Add Asset. This is where you'll connect the actual downloadable content to the product. You'll notice that Shopify gives you a couple of different options. You can either select a link option or a file option. You'll also see additional settings that control how the delivery process works. One option allows you to choose the delivery method. So you can configure whether customers receive access automatically after their purchase or whether you would prefer to manage delivery in a different way. You'll also see an access limit setting. This allows you to determine how many times a customer can download the file after receiving it. For some digital products, store owners may prefer unlimited access, while for others, it may make sense to place a limit on the number of downloads available through the email link. Once the file has been attached, the app handles the connection between the purchase and the digital asset, making it much easier to distribute downloadable products through your Shopify store. Also, I'll link in the description box a Shopify theme you can get that I've made for if you have a digital product business. The next app is the Shopify Flow app. This allows you to create automated workflows inside your Shopify store without needing any coding experience. First, you're going to want to install the Shopify Flow app. Then open the app and click Create Workflow, then select Browse Templates. This will open Shopify's collection of workflow automations that are already prepared and ready to customize. As you scroll through the available templates, you'll notice there are automations covering many different areas of store management, including inventory monitoring, order management, and more. You'll also notice that some workflows can work alongside other Shopify apps. For example, if you have Shopify's messaging and communication tools installed, you can use Flow to help create automated communication processes as well. For an example, you can select the automation called Send an Email Summary of all unfulfilled orders older than 2 days. This workflow can help bring attention to orders that have been sitting unfulfilled for a period of time. Once you open any workflow template you select, you'll be able to review the trigger conditions, actions, and settings before activating it. Shopify Flow can be thought of as a tool that helps automate repetitive tasks and routine processes that would otherwise require manual attention. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below, and I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the sections and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.